Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1994 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. A ramp voltage 100 volts is applied to an RC differentiating circuit with R value of 5 kilo ohms and capacitance value of 4 microfarad. What is the maximum output voltage you may get? That we are going to calculate. And we know that a simple RC circuit can act as either high pass RC or low pass RC, and when it acts as high pass RC, it can act as differentiating circuit based on a condition that time constant has to be very small compared to the time period of the signal you are applying. So a RC differentiating circuit is nothing but simply a high pass RC circuit, and the time constant tau is nothing but R into C. Time constant is very small compared to the duration of time you are applying the signal for that RC circuit. If this condition satisfies, then that high pass RC circuit can act as differentiator. High pass RC circuit is nothing but simply a series RC combination, and where you are taking output across resistor. So if you take output across resistor of a series RC combination, at that time it can act as high pass RC circuit. If you take output across capacitor, at that time it is act as low pass RC circuit. Now we are going for the high pass RC circuit because it is acting as differentiator, and we are going interested in the maximum output voltage. So assume that there is a current flowing through this circuit, and V0 can be written as I of t into R, because input is going to be a time varying signal. So V0 of t is equal to I of t into R, and I of t is nothing but current flowing through the capacitor, and the same current is flowing through the resistor. Current flowing through the capacitor can be written as I of t is equal to IC of t, that is current flowing through the capacitor, which is nothing but C into d by dt of voltage difference across the capacitor. Initially output voltage is 0 at the time of application, so that you can write it as maximum what you are applying is Vi minus 0, so that you can write it as dVi by dt. So I of t can be written as IC of t. IC of t is nothing but current flowing through the capacitor. So for that one, how much voltage you are applying, that is Vi minus 0. So Vi is the voltage you are applying, so C into dV by dt you can write. Now V0 of t will become C into dV by dt into R, that I can write it as RC into dVi by dt. Now we will substitute Vi value. R value we know and C value we know, and we are going to differentiate the V input. V input is nothing but 100t. So V0 of t is equal to R is equal to 5 kilo ohms and C is equal to 4 microfarad, 10 power minus 6 micromins into 100t is nothing but simply it is 100. So now if you are going with V0 of t, at that time it will become 5 into 420, 2000 into 10 power minus 3. So this will be equal to 2 volts. The maximum output voltage you may get with this circuit is 2 volts. So the right answer for this question is B. Thank you.